after the first weekend, we have 23rd Yard Club leading with 29 points.
But I feel like that stat is over for this season now, so that's not happening.
Have a change of winning strategy.
Travis Head is a force that's waiting to fire. You never know.
Give some time to Sunny, वो पीछे से धुआं निकालेगा अपने वेब से.
He has a special smile. If you tell him, Sesame, take a picture, and then he'll do like.
My mom recently found out about Photoshop and AI and all that. And she said, I wish we had them during your wedding time.
Welcome to IPL Tapri episode 2. It's a double-header weekend, 2 games Saturday, 2 games on Sunday. More action, more chances to score. But same rules, 4 cards each, and we ride the weekend. Which brings us to the newest members of the Tapri. Welcome Megha and Samir. What brings you here? Why are you in the Tapri?
Just for the chai.
Cheers for the chai. Nice plug. Welcome. So we'll do a quick scoreboard refresher. After the first weekend, we have 23rd Yard Club leading with 29 points. And the rest of the participants, let's call them, had 16 each. 4-way tie.
I thought from the last Sunday wala matches perspective. Now to think again. Give me 2
Sunil,
minutes.
wait, I have.
सुनील तू ही सोच रहा है इतना बाकी कोई नहीं सोच रहा है इतना
2 cents to give. You're
you
leading
need
this
and Samir
with,
maybe
with such a big margin. Don't get greedy now.
No, actually, I'm not. Just 1 card margin. Yeah.
I,
But
took,
no, actually,
You're
sorry.
leading now.
I took an hour
Sorry,
off
sorry.
to strategize, so I'm all set.
all right
Oh,
start
the champion is here.
So I'll start with my 21-point card.
I did look at the stats for the 10 sixes. It's hardly anything. In the
No, last time when we
Right.
played, there was a batsman who got 8 sixes and he
That's
got
right.
run out very idiotically. He would have scored 2 more. There was a very good chance of that.
But I feel like that stat is over for this season now, so that's not happening again.
I always
I'm
go
with
with
you.
my gut.
Megha and me on the same boat with the 21 pointer.
But to the point of 10 sixes, Travis Head is a force that's waiting to fire. You never know. 13 points. I have 1, 2, 3.
Okay, Sunil is going for the double, like 8 and 10 sixes. दोनों चाहिए उसको.
Correct.
Going for 8-pointer.
I went for the batters this time.
Even
all the
Sunil
way.
has gone for the batters. Only Samir,
Yes.
Ole and me. Oh, even Himal's picked up a bowler.
Yeah. So I think I and Sunir have gone for the batting.
All same cards from last time for me.
I
Aw.
noticed that. I mean, those
Have
were
a change of winning strategy.
Shabash.
Did you all watch Prasidh Krishna,
I
who
know, right?
suddenly came and disturbed Super King?
Pant opening for Lucknow is going to be important.
No, it's gonna be a disaster again.
Oh
Double
my
check.
god.
Recording is on. Second time, Nishit's starting tone was only such a downer.
I was.
Guys,
I
chai,
know.
chai, chai.
Judge. And then he stole other people's answers. And then the turn came, they were like, ah.
कार्ड्स ही अभी 1 घंटे पहले खोल के ढूंढ के निकाले.
What is Khatoli?
Chalo, at least recording is on.
Oh
Double
my
check.
god.
Recording is on.
Recording is on and it's not going off.
Actually, the second time, Nishit's starting tone was only such a downer.
I was.
Guys,
I
chai,
know.
chai, chai.
Judge. And then he stole other people's answers. And then the turn came, they were like, ah.
I
Answer ले गया.
अरे किधर है चौधरी? वहाँ पे तो 8 बजे है.
I have this though. This might help. Oh.
Hey, that is so
Nice.
Look at that.
You can
Chai
start
to
with
that.
that actually.
Chai to that.
You can
Yes.
start with that on the screen.
Does that look right on the screen? Like
It
ulta
totally
नहीं
looks,
right?
it looks like
That's
garam
nice.
garam chai. The only thing missing is the steam coming out of the cushion.
Oh well. Oh, then I can try. Oh, वो थोड़ा सा कर लेना edit.
नहीं, so give some time to Sunny, वो पीछे से धुआं निकालेगा अपने वेब से.
That would be pretty dramatic actually.
अरे उसको तो चाहिए ये सब काम. अभी देखो शुरू हो गया.
आ रहा है धुआं आ रहा है कहीं से.
Imagination, flavored धुआं of masala chai.
Chai flavored wave will be awesome.
कितनी रिसर्च की मेगा कुछ तो बताओ.
कुछ करा नहीं यार.
अंकित फोन फ्रेंड किया कि नहीं अंकित के
मैं
साथ.
अंकित कोलंबिया में बैठा है actually, unfortunately. So he hasn't seen a single match literally. But मैंने कार्ड्स ही अभी 1 घंटे पहले खोल के ढूंढ के निकाले based on all the instructions that were given. बाकी मैंने अभी तक rules नहीं पढ़े.
I
Sunil
love
have
it.
a new background today.
Mr. Chaudhary, 23rd Yard Club. Good morning.
Hey, living room में आ
Good
गया.
morning. Hi. Good morning.
Morning.
Love it, love it.
I am sorry. I thought it was 8:30 a.m. because last time it was 8:30 a.m.
Today we advanced it for half an hour to account for bloopers so that Himal can sleep on time for her
Yeah.
critical
We
goal.
all need to sleep on time.
Right. I
Where's
think the
the-
framing looks great. Sujit is
Yeah, the show stealer.
Sujit has decided to take a break after all the grief he got.
He wants to play Ranji Trophy.
Sunesh, he has been, unfortunately, he has been fired.
He
खुद को ही
was
फायर कर दिया उसने. He
नहीं,
fired
नहीं,
himself.
अभी
He
फायर नहीं
literally
करेंगे.
said.
इतना काम है करने के लिए, अभी थोड़ी फायर करेंगे, उसको बाद में फायर करेंगे.
Oh, Aiga. He'll be back with a bang.
You changed the number of games from 2 games to 4 games. I have to rethink my strategy now to maintain my lead.
अरे यही तो चाहिए
Excuse me.
हमें. सुबह सुबह
You
इसलिए तुझे
please
बुलाया.
have your cards ready. You
हाँ.
cannot do this. You can't take more time now.
Yeah, this
Dude,
will be
but
quick.
you changed the rules while I was sleeping. You can't change rules like that.
हाँ, that's true.
Oh
But
God.
rule तो वही है, 4 कार्ड ही करने हैं. So I'm just using those 4 cards for 4 matches now, in a way.
So I thought from the last Sunday wala matches perspective. Now I have to think again. Give me
Sunil,
2
wait.
minutes.
I have.
सुनील
my
तू ही
two
सोच रहा है
cents.
इतना, बाकी कोई नहीं सोच रहा है इतना.
2 cents
I'm
to
just-
give. You're
अभी वो
leading
जीत रहा है.
this
And Sameer
with,
maybe.
with such a big margin. Don't get greedy now.
No, actually I'm not. Just 1 card margin. Yeah.
I
But
took,
no, actually,
You're
sorry.
leading now.
I took an hour
Sorry,
off
sorry,
to strategize, so I'm all set.
All right.
Oh,
Start.
the champion is here.
Nishit,
The
can you double
dislodger.
check the meeting is being recorded still, right?
So Hemal, to answer that, yesterday Sameer asked me a question asking, "क्या पूछा Sameer तूने? What should I be prepared for before this podcast?" So I said, "Have a cup of chai
I'm fine.
and smile." I actually said that to him, smile.
Oh,
Oh
So
no.
I'll tell you some.
Now
I'll
you
tell,
lose
he
double
didn't
points.
either.
I'll tell you something funny. My mom recently found out about Photoshop and AI and all that. And she said, I wish we had them during your wedding time. Your pictures will look so much nicer because you look so grumpy.
Touche to auntie.
He has a special smile. If you tell him, Sesame, take a picture, and then he'll do like,
All right. Everyone say cheers to Sameer's smile.
And Sameer, one last thing,
"Yes."
That's too natural, Sameer.
Sameer, to add to that, yeah, do smile on your tennis podcast as well. I have been wanting to tell you this is a good time to say it.
It's so stressful. He wants me to smile. I don't know what I'm doing. I keep thinking, am I smiling? Am I smiling? Am I smiling? And my eyes are looking somewhere else. And I have to redo the whole thing for him.
So in case of a tie, Sameer loses because of lack
Not
of smile.
smiling.
Welcome to IPL Tapri episode 2. A double header weekend, 2 games Saturday, 2 games Sunday. More action, which means more chances to score. The rules are the same, 4 cards, and we ride the
Nishit,
weekend.
Time out. When you said welcome, Sameer was yawning. So start again.
Yeah, man. Sameer, dude.
Okay, so
He's
anyway,
not slept the whole night.
All
He's
again.
not slept the whole night strategizing.
All
Like,
right,
Sameer
I'm
going to
ready.
be ours, Tuji.
I think that's his way of looking nonchalant to say, oh, I'm so sleepy, I don't care. But actually, he's worked very hard.
But to the point of 10 sixes, Travis Head is a force that's waiting to fire. You never know.
So-
Did you all watch Prasidh Krishna,
I
who
know, right?
suddenly came and disturbed Super King?
Actually, Dilip picked Prasidh, but I'll have to get him on the Tapri soon.
Prasidh Krishna was the highest wicket taker last
year.
season.
Yeah.
But even this
Oh.
time, Punjab Super Kings was cruising. He just came and disrupted their rhythm.
He got
But you know what? While I was watching that match, I got the feeling that we're watching Pakistan bat while chasing.
The collapse.
Like suddenly they were coasting like easily and all, and then they lose those 4 wickets for no rhyme or reason.
No reason.
There's absolutely no rhyme or reason. They lose those and then they managed to win on the last.
The Pant opening for Lucknow is going to be important.
No, it's gonna be a disaster again.
I think
so
it'll click.
I
It-
think
it-
so
no,
too.
it'll be a disaster again.
Yeah.